London City. The time is just left 5 minutes after 5 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched on. When it is safe to do so, please take care when opening overhead lockers as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. Please check that you have all personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. If you require any assistance here at London City, please speak to our colleagues who will be happy to help. For those customers who have ordered special assistance to leave the aircraft today, please remain seated till the aisle around you is clear and our crew will be on hand to assist you. On behalf of all of us on board at British Airways, I would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you and a very good evening to you all.